going to be my very first video. So I wanted to let y'all know that today I'm going to be doing a Toca Boca house tour. I really hope you guys like it, because if y'all don't like it, then y'all suck and y'all are big bags. So anyways, today I'm going to be showing you guys my room, because it's so preppy, guys. Okay, so anyways, let's get started. So in this area, where it's like the right corner, is like where we get our mail, our umbrellas, my report cards, and like all that. Don't tell my mom, but I secretly got a 63. So yeah. Whoopsies. My bad. Anyways, let's just go ahead and do my house tour. So anyways, right here is like my little desk area where I can sit down and just, write, but I barely sit there. So I just call it my skincare area, because that's where I sit. So yeah. Anyways, so right over here is like my shelf where I have my backpacks, my markers. These are my little posters I got. They're so cute. Anyways, okay, so coming right this way, I have this little ketchup bottle pillow. It's so soft and it's so cute. Oh. Anyways, so right here is like my clothing, my dresses, my PJs, classic hoodies and all that. Right on the shelf is only backpacks for different situations. I have 2 school backpacks. It's this brown one and this pop print. These are the ones I use it for vacation or like other purposes, but sometimes I get too excited and when I'm in a hurry, I accidentally take the school bags to, Anyways, so this right here is the Flower Trio concert. If you don't know, it's similar to BTS, and it's actually it's not really Korean, they're Japanese. So yeah. Anyways, so I have my little hair pro spray, some crumpets, some little candles. Right here is like my little sleeping bag, my crochet yarn, my purse. And yeah, right over here is my absolutely adorable baby princess. I love you, baby. You're my sweet princess. Anyways, let's just put you back to bed. And this is my little desk area. Okay, so coming right this way are my parents' and my brother's room. So my mom's right now doing office work. So, why would it skip ad? Skip ad, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, these ads are annoying me. I swear, if I see another commercial pop up about McDonald's, I'ma freak out and I'ma throw this laptop out the window. Oh, Mom, is everything okay? No, not that everything is okay. So you see, this laptop is having so many commercials, and they're like 10 seconds. Mom, calm down. There will always be commercials in life. Okay, you know what? Whatever. I'll just ignore these dumb commercials. Anyways, so right this way is my brother's room, because half of it is my room, well, my mom's room, and my dad's room, and my brother's room. So here's my little brother's room. He has won trophies, he has backpacks, his Nintendo Switch, video game, FIFA, Fortnite. He got a Santa hat, these are all his clothes. These are my mom's bags. I don't know how my mom has a Flower Trio backpack. Like, this is supposed to be mine. I love the flower trio. But she was like, oh, it's because you're not supposed to have it. Then why do you have it? Anyways, I'm just gonna put it back. My mom had this, oh. Well, it's okay, I'll just leave it there. So my mom has this super preppy backpack that it's not a backpack, but it's a bag to, you know, use whenever you're like going on a picnic, but it's so preppy. My mom also got this exercise bag. She's got a baby bag. But my little sister Ava isn't not here currently at the moment because my grandma is babysitting her. Anyways, these two are desks for my mom and dad and my brother. So this is where my mom works. This is my brother where he, like, you know, does his book area, to where his books. He's got 2 books here. These are thick books. And he's got markers. Oh. So right here is my brother's pet, the parrot. He looks really annoying to me. I do not like him at all. He just screams all day long. I don't know how my brother loves you, little parrot. You're annoying. Yeah, whatever you said, I'm pretty sure you agreed with me. Anyways, girly pops. So anyways, and you're fat, and you're big back. Anyways, so these are my brother's plushies, my mom's clothes, my mom's posters, my mom's expensive Dior perfume, baby stuff here, wallets. Yeah, anyways, heading this way is a kitchen. It's so preppy, guys. Look at this. Only big bags come in here. Yum. Speaking of big bags, I'm gonna go ahead and eat a snack. Oh, you big bag. Shut up, Leo. What are you gonna do? Shut up. You're such an iPad kid. Okay, and you got a problem with that? Yeah, you're annoying. I overheard you whispering to my pet parrot. Yeah, and what are you gonna do about it? He's my baby. He ain't even a baby. He's all fat and wrinkly, old and wrinkly. Stop calling him that. Don't you dare call him old and ugly and wrinkly, cause your pet's old and ugly and wrinkly. We just got my pet 2 weeks ago, bruh. Oh, exactly. Just shut up, okay? You're literally so annoying. And what's you gonna do about it? I don't know. Put tape on your mouth? In your dreams. Oh my gosh, shut up. Oh my gosh, shut up. Anyways, girly pops. This is like a little shelf area where my mom has olive oil, the ketchup. Here is a fridge. Oh my gosh, look at these delicious snacks. Anyways, here's a little, you know, thing. Why do I have a spoon on my head? These are my lunch, this is my lunch box. Oh, there's food in there. Actually, there you go, guys. Anyways, so right here is like the little towels to wash dishes, another towel, and yeah. So here we have lunch that's completely empty. Nobody has eaten it. So sad. Anyways, heading straight right this way. Why is the bathroom door locked? Hello, is anybody in there? That's so gross. Hello? Hello, honey. Why did that sound so loud? I don't know, honey, but I'll be out there in a few seconds. Just give me a minute, just wash my hands. Okay, honey, I'm done. Dad, what was that? I don't know, honey. That is so nasty. Anyways, hey, okay, girly pops, here is my amazing skincare fridge I got for my birthday. Ah! It's so amazing, guys. Actually, put this back in there. It's so beautiful. Look how amazing that is, guys. Look at that. I've got my skincare, my shampoo, my bathrobes. Ah, it's so preppy. I should definitely do a little skincare routine. Anyways, down here is some of my other skincare. Toothpaste, deodorant, toothbrushes. This is the shower. Little bubbly thing we found at the beach. Lipstick. This is my mom's area where she does her makeup. But don't tell my mom, but I secretly used makeup. And trust me, I look fab. Anyways, here we have some little towels. And yeah. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. So, if you guys enjoyed this house tour, please like and subscribe and comment for more video ideas. And I'll keep y'all updated if we buy a pack or if we buy a house or, you know, every new Toca Boca updates. So, yes, guys, hope y'all enjoyed. Bye, Poke Bears.